Well, good afternoon. Today I'm going to try to show you some very basic steps in how to record an online lecture using Tegrity. Now I'm going to use Tegrity to do this, so this may be a little different, but let's see how this works for us anyway. Tegrity is a great lecture capture program, and I've used it quite a bit with a lot of success, and students really do seem to enjoy it. One of the things that they enjoy most is that it puts the pace of the learning in their hands. And not only does that help the students out, but it also can help you out as the instructor, because you have the opportunity to put something up here for the students to watch that then will allow you to spend more time in class on some actual classroom activities. I mean, things like you could do your whole syllabus explanation here on Tegrity and not have to take the first day of class to do that. Or perhaps there's a particular skill or concept that might be very difficult in your class. You could put that up on Tegrity and leave it up there for the semester, and students could watch that. Perhaps if you're working in a lab situation, maybe you have lab safety. You could do a Tegrity lecture on lab safety, and again, leave it up there for students to watch. And then later on, we can show you how to create a quiz based on that Tegrity lecture, so that way students have to take that quiz and do relatively well on that quiz in order to participate in the lab or to move on with the course by whatever means that you see fit. But anyway, so let me show you a little bit about Tegrity. Tegrity can be found, the best way to find Tegrity is go to your home page in any of your Blackboard courses, and you'll see right over here it's called Tegrity, and I'm going to click on that, and then you may have to let this load. Now this comes up here. If I click here, I'll open up my Tegrity window. Here it is right here. Let me just move that up here. And so from here, what I would want to do is click Record Class. So you can see it right here as it turns red as I hover over it. You would click on that. Because I'm already recording a class, Tegrity is not going to let me record that. So I'm going to go down here and let's take a look at some screenshots that I have created for you. And let's hope that those will do the trick for you. So once you click on this here that says Record Class, then you should see a box like this pop up. And you'll see the course that you're in. So right here it says I'm in this course right here, which is my sandbox. It will list today's date. And then down here, again, normally what you will see and what you're seeing is a picture of me. So I will be able to see my own picture right here, and that's created just by clicking on this instructor video. I should mention that you will need to, if your computer does not already have a camera and a microphone in it, you will have to go to maybe a Radio Shack or something like that and purchase a camera and microphone. I think the one I have here on my computer is about $49.95, and you can get a little more expensive ones, or you can get less expensive, and really the price really is just an indication of the quality of the camera and also the microphone. So I kind of went mid-range, about $49.95, and got what I think is a pretty good camera and microphone. If you choose not to be live in front of your students like I am now, and you would just rather have a still photo up there, then just click off Instructor Video and click up here Select Picture, and then the computer will ask you where is that picture stored, and then you can insert a picture here instead. Also, you'll notice, again, a lot of times that this little bar will be bouncing up and down here. This shows you the quality of the audio that you're getting, and for the most part, I'm getting pretty good audio right now. So again, once you click Record Class, this box will come up. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change this title in here to a specific title for your recording. So if we scroll down here, you'll see that I have now created in this box, I've called this Tegrity Lecture Capture. And that'll be the name of this lecture, and it'll be up listed right here with the other lectures when I get completed with this. So go ahead, and my advice to you is make sure that you put in a very specific title, because it will make it easier for your students to find these, especially as you reference them either in your syllabus or perhaps maybe reference them in Blackboard announcements. Once I've done that, then again I'm going to come down here, I'm going to click on Record a Class, and the next thing that I'm going to see is this window here pop up. And in this window here, let's see, I'm sorry, did I get to the right one? Yeah. We're going to see this window here pop up. I guess those are the same window. I'm sorry. Trying to do this by screenshot is a little bit difficult. But But what it does is it's telling you that you have a control button. And this control panel will show up on your screen. And it shows up right here at the bottom. You can kind of see it right down here at the bottom. And what it is really telling me is that I have a pause button, a stop button. I can kind of watch the quality of my audio, and so this kind of gives me a little control panel to use. What I like to do, as soon as I start my video, I like to come in here and click pause. And you'll see this great big paused word right here. And now what it means is that I can now go through and search my computer to find whatever I may need to find so that I can bring it up and present it to students. So for example, if I do a lot of things in PowerPoint, I can have my PowerPoint down here maybe minimized, or if I forgot to minimize it, pause my recording, go get my PowerPoint slides, bring them up, and because this this control panel here is down here at the bottom of my computer, I can then pop it open and start and stop the recordings as I need to. So that's really it. It's very simple to do. When you get done recording, you will click stop, and the computer then will stop the recording and ask you if you want to preview it or upload it. You'll say you may want to preview it if it's only a few minutes long, or just go ahead and upload it. It'll take a few minutes to upload in the background, and then you can actually start on doing another one. One thing I will mention to you though, and I want to come back here, you can sort these. You can either sort these, if you click on classes, you can sort these alphabetically, or if you click on recorded, you can sort these by date. My advice to you is again, I mean, it's nice if you can do that, but I'm adding and changing lectures all the time as I need to, so trying to order them alphabetically doesn't always work, and trying to also do them by date doesn't also work either. So that's why I like to have that very specific name in here, and that I can tell the students to go watch this particular lecture, and they can just find it from the list of lectures that are available. Okay, well, I think that gives you a real good brief insight into how to do it. Try it for yourself. Try a 2 or 3 minute lecture. See how it goes for you. And good luck. Thank you.